Welcome back, my fellow adventurers, to another captivating episode of InspireRipple. Today, we have an exciting topic that will help you navigate the art of flirting and make her fall for you. In this video, we'll be sharing detailed tips that will enhance your flirting skills and leave a lasting impression. So, get ready to become a true master of seduction and capture the heart of your dream girl. Tips 1. Make a memorable first impression. The first tip in mastering the art of flirting is to make a memorable first impression. It's essential to dress well, not only to impress, but also to feel confident in your own skin. Choose an outfit that highlights your best features and represents your personal style. Remember, confidence is key when making that initial approach. Along with your appearance, your body language plays a crucial role in leaving a lasting impression. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and exude a positive energy. Smile warmly, make eye contact, and approach her with an air of self-assurance. These small gestures will show her that you are interested and confident in yourself. Tips 2. Engage in active listening. Active listening is a skill that can set you apart from the crowd when it comes to flirting. Show genuine interest in what she has to say by giving her your undivided attention. Put your phone away, maintain eye contact, and respond thoughtfully to her words. By actively listening, you show that you value her thoughts and opinions, creating a deeper connection. Remember, flirting is not just about talking. It's about building a meaningful connection. Ask open-ended questions that encourage her to share more about herself. Show empathy, validate her feelings, and make her feel heard. Active listening is the foundation for building trust and understanding. Tips 3. Use compliments wisely. Compliments can be a powerful tool in flirting, but it's important to use them wisely. Instead of generic compliments, be specific and genuine. Notice something unique about her, like her dazzling smile, her sense of style, or her intellectual prowess. Be sincere in your compliments, as insincere flattery can easily be detected. When giving compliments, remember to strike a balance. Don't overwhelm her with an excessive number of compliments. Instead, offer them genuinely and sparingly. This will make your words carry more weight and show that you truly appreciate her. Tips 4. Display confidence, not arrogance. Confidence is attractive, but arrogance is a major turnoff. When flirting, it's crucial to strike a balance and display confidence without crossing into the realm of arrogance. Stand tall, maintain an open and relaxed posture, and speak with clarity and conviction. However, it's equally important to be humble and approachable. Treat everyone with respect, regardless of their social status or appearance. Genuine confidence mixed with kindness creates an irresistible aura that will make her feel comfortable and drawn to your presence. Tips 5. Develop a sense of humor. Laughter is the language of connection, and developing a sense of humor can work wonders in flirting. A well-timed joke or a playful banter can instantly create a positive and enjoyable atmosphere. However, it's crucial to be mindful of boundaries and ensure your humor is inclusive and respectful. Pay attention to her reactions and adjust your humor accordingly. Find common interests or shared experiences that you can both laugh about. A genuine and light-hearted sense of humor will make her feel at ease and foster a deeper connection between you. Tip 6. Most important aspects of flirting is showing genuine interest in the person you're attracted to. Take the time to get to know her on a deeper level. Ask open-ended questions about her passions, dreams, and experiences. Show curiosity and actively engage in the conversation. Listen attentively to her responses and don't be afraid to share your own stories and experiences as well. This reciprocity creates a sense of connection and shows that you value her thoughts and opinions. By demonstrating genuine interest, you're laying the foundation for a meaningful and lasting connection. Listen, each tip we've discussed today is a valuable tool in your flirting arsenal. Combine them with your unique personality and charm, and you'll become a true master of seduction. Remember, my friends, the key to successful flirting is to be genuine, kind, and respectful. Keep spreading ripples of inspiration and enjoy the exciting journey of flirting. Thank you for watching this video of InspireRipple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.